Thrifty Thursday, one of my favorite days.
Right?
Love a deal.
You can find spring plants as low as $1 a pop at Scottsdale Community College's spring plant sale.
Carmen's out there this morning. What you finding for us?
Hey guys, I'm just hanging out here. This one actually kind of reminds me of the Phoenix Suns. It's probably one of my favorite plants that we've seen so far. But I'm going to bring in the plant expert. Good morning, Ed. Tell us what's going on here today. Now, this is a huge fundraiser for you guys at Scottsdale Community College.
Yes, thanks so much for coming out and visiting us today. This is our semi-annual spring plant sale. This is a fundraiser. We're actually called the Center for Native and Urban Wildlife, part of Scottsdale Community College Biology Department. So we have the twice a year fundraiser, the spring one here. We've got mostly desert adapted, low water usage, but right here we're looking at our wonderful annual table because everybody loves those bright, beautiful colors of some of the annuals, and then along the sides we have cactuses and succulents.
Let's take a walk. Let's walk and talk, because you got a lot of interesting stuff. And what I love about this is that they're all pretty decently priced. You can't get better prices than this. So what's this that we're looking at here?
These guys right over here is called a jojoba. A very interesting plant. That actually a jojoba, the product that we use today, a lot of our oils and things that we use, moisturizers and things, actually come from the seed of the jojoba. Yeah. So it's an interesting desert adapted. Of course, it doesn't have it's not the cactus that has the spines and that, so it's nice to have those types of plants in the desert as well that aren't going to bite you when you try to touch them.
That's right. And then we also have Professor Wesser, as he likes to be called over here. You deal a lot with the students here who help out to kind of maintain and manage this beautiful place. So tell us what you guys have been working on. This is a pretty important fundraiser.
It is. And so this is, as Ed mentioned, we have a twice-year plant sale. And this is totally run by our students. The students learn how to grow, propagate, start from seeds, start from cuttings. And so they learn a lot about running a whole plant sale, running a greenhouse. And it's a fundraiser, and it ties into our restoration efforts. We also have another program where we grow plants for desert restoration.
That's right. You said anything that basically grows in the desert, you'll find here.
Yeah, and we try to. Some of them are very hard to grow, but we have a nice mixture of wildlife attracting plants and good prices for people to get into just attracting wildlife to their house and yard, and it's beautiful.
And what's usually a favorite? What usually sells out quick?
We usually, some of the desert ones, so we have like desert milkweed, we have a few Arizona milkweed. We also have a euphorb. It's a succulent plant that's not native here, but they call it fire stick, and so people like to buy those. And then we have a nice assortment of different aloes and agaves.
Yeah, so usually a lot of people can find a lot of use out of the aloes. Is that right?
Oh, yeah, they can. There's some medicinal aloes that we have, but I really like it, and this is what we really promote, is attracting wildlife. So we have hummingbirds whirling around here, and they'll be attracted to aloe flowers. And then they also are attracted to a lot of other plants as well that we have.
So the sale is happening today and also tomorrow. Give us the detail.
Yes, so it's from 10 to 2 today. Here we're in the greenhouse area, so we're on the north side of the campus, and there are signs to direct people, and 10 to 2 tomorrow as well, Friday.
And again, this is a non-profit, so what are all these funds going toward?
Oh, the funds go toward helping students, and...
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, you guys, let's get back to you.
All right, good stuff, Carmen.
Thanks,
Thank you so
Carmen.
much.